Ladies and gentlemen, we are back for another Asia session trading. Peep out the camera view though, guys. It's a little bit more crisp. Just finally able to figure out what was happening with my DSLR camera, so we are sitting a lot better. Sorry, y'all. Always ends up like that. But we have about 2 minutes, a minute left until market open. So sit back, relax, grab some popcorn, and get ready for the entertainment, ladies and gentlemen. Had a bullish day today. Market decided just to go up. I honestly, wow, that's a nasty, jeez. We went up 1,000 points today. What? I mean, I wasn't trading it. I mean, jeez, but wow. Insane. Went up 1,000 points. That's crazy. Oh, let me change this to the correct time frame. Just gonna be trading some evaluations here. I have a couple of evals that I did pass. Here we go. We are opening up. Do we just continue to get this rip up? It's gonna be interesting, to say the least. Let's see how we react to this here. The market gonna want to take a dump. No, sir. We are going right up. What's gonna happen? Power hour. Can't see. I got my camera right in front of my screen, so it's blocking a little bit of the bottom part of my screen. Let's see. Are the bulls gonna step in here? Are they gonna push up strong? Or is this just a fake out and then we're gonna take a dip back down for a little bit? On the 15-minute though, I mean, straight just full on bullish. It's insane. We just went up 1,000 points today, basically. That's a money grabber. If somebody grabbed that, you were able to capture that. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. You did great. I think the bulls might want to hold this up. They're not giving up, so you're going like something like that. I'm gonna wait for this next candle to print. I think the next candle that we do print, or if we want to come back down to VWAP, I'll take a long entry. I'm gonna be pretty aggressive with this. This is just an evaluation count, so definitely gonna be a little bit more aggressive. Kind of want to see what day I'm on too for my other funded accounts. I think I have one of them that's gonna be at around day 4, so I think tomorrow should be day 5. Technicality. Bulls are holding up, so I'm gonna look to find an entry to go in long. Gonna play pretty aggressive, so we got about another 45 seconds until we open up the new candle. Looking for a weak pullback with the next candle, maybe like a 5-10 point pullback, and then get in long to see if we can target the highs up there. Something like this would be absolutely stunning. But now we just gotta wait. Might not even get that pullback. It might just keep going up. Probably gonna miss out on it, but it is what it is. We do have 24,000s right up there. Didn't quite hit 24,000s, but I mean, today's move was definitely insane. If you caught that, well done. Well freaking done. There we go, new candle. Let's get this little quick pullback. Por favor. Keeping my eyes peeled. Do we get this break of 15, or are they just gonna rip it up from here? I don't want it to rip up yet, but it might just do that without me. Set my entry there in case it just wants to pop back down very quick. looking like it's going. I mean, it's not coming down, so there's only one thing. I mean, it's going. We'll take it. Kind of a chasing entries here, but I want to see if the bulls have enough strength to just keep on pushing this up there. So don't pull back down here. Would not want to see it pull back. Want to see it continue going up. Have this just be the weak pullback that it is. Have the bulls just rip right through here. Let's keep going. Can we go all the way up to 48.75? Do we get the bulls to step in here? This is intraday trailing, so I don't want it to come back down to my entry. It's absolutely gonna decimate my account if we don't get this push up. Come on, NASDAQ. We got to get the bulls to... It's going to stop me out. I'm just going to cross it out. I'm going to get taken out here because of the intraday drawing rule. Tough. There we go. Literally came a couple ticks away. Tough. How much was I up on that trade? 2,000? 47. It literally came 1 point away from filling me out. That is tough. Obviously, we lost that because it's just wanted to be like that. I think we still get this. Probably get another retest of it. Let's take it again. Oh, coming straight down. This is where it goes up to the level that I wanted it to go to now. First, it just had to first stop me out. And then it's going to go up. Although I probably should have just taken profit up there instead of wait for it to come back down and stop me out. But it's the name of the game, folks. Sometimes that's just the name of the game. Do we get the bulls to stay in strong here and try to push it up here again? Retest a wick up there. Looks like I might blow this one as well. See if the bulls have enough strength. We were just 1 point away. Market couldn't just give it to me. It said, nope. I don't think I'm going to give it to you. I'm just going to hold it out. And not give you the level that you want. It'd be nice if we can get the bulls to just rally right here and we break all the way kind of up to my take profit area up here. It's being stingy though, so I have to keep my eyes peeled out on probably 42 level-ish. 37, 36 on the ask. Seeing some weakness, and bears are really trying to step in and drive it down, but I want to see if we have a chance for the bulls to rally back up. I will be right back though, folks. I gotta hold on. I'm cooking something. I'm back. Looks like I'm about to get stopped out. And we're about to blow this eval here too. Just had to step away for a quick second. I'm air frying some potatoes and I was like, something smells like food. Then I was like, oh shoot, I had food cooking. Don't want to burn those things. Looks like I might get stopped out here before the market wants to rally back up. She going down. She going down to the town. She take it down to the town. She take it. I don't know what I'm saying. But I'm purposely saying it off beat as well. Off rhythm. Because I do not want to get copyrighted. No sir. I ain't making money yet from YouTube, but don't want to play with that. Oh wow. What's going on? Am I gonna get stopped out? Am I gonna get saved? Doesn't seem like it. ES is just tanking now. Tough. And stopped out. We are 0 for 2. But now that it stopped me out, this is where it rallies. Garen, well, I don't want to. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. Just so y'all know. Let's see, to my account. Did it update? I'm a little bit kind of annoyed because we came up 1 point away. Basically 1 point shy of filling me out, and then it just decided to say, hey, nah, I'm not gonna give it to you. Story of my life. Let's see here. But I'm gonna calm down on the evaluations a bit. I blew quite a bit today. Just trying to pass it. Need at least 5 days with 200 plus. I think tomorrow should be my 5th day, it looks like. Right. What about the other one? Oh, they counted it. Nice. Alright, good news. I think Apex might have fixed their, what do you call it? Their system for, what do you call it? Logging in your days, because no, I'm not 100% sure, but usually whenever you take a payout request, that payout request is logged into your trading as a loss. So if you wanted to have like a 250 or 200 plus requirement day, you'd have to make back the withdrawal that you took and then some. But I think they finally fixed that. Let's hope they did, but if not, it is what it is. Let's make sure that's set correctly. As you can tell, I had quite a bit of experience with the evaluations. I should have 2 accounts. I passed 2 accounts today, so we'll have 4 funded accounts once I activate the other 2 that were passed. Strong move back up. Just didn't want to give that to me, that 58 or 48, whatever I was at. This is where it breaks out. But if you are just tuning in now as well, ladies and gentlemen, do not forget to subscribe if you are looking forward to enter into the giveaway. 1, subscribe and turn that notification bell so you don't miss it. Once we do hit the 1,000 subscribers, I am going to be giving away a few accounts. I don't know how many yet, and I do not know which platform I'm going to be giving away yet either. So I'm going to be doing a poll once we do get closer. So yeah, don't miss out. Because the winner could be you. One of you could be the lucky winner. I'll be right back. I think my potatoes may be done cooking. Be right back. Right. I'm back. Potatoes are not quite ready yet. I'm gonna give you guys a cheat code as well. Instead of just eating chicken and rice, chicken and potatoes. Delectable. Here we go. Now we're gonna go to 50. Lovely. Man. Bulls are sitting in strong. Although I don't really have don't really want to trade any of my funded accounts right now. They're sitting pretty good, so I might just wait until tomorrow. We are getting some pretty good price action here, though. This is not bad, considering that this is the Asia session. Really good movement. Also, I didn't want to go short here as well, just because we had a strong move to the upside, and I would imagine there's a lot of bears wanting to go try to bring this market down just because today we just shot up. So, you know, trying to think opposite of a retail trader. Well, I want it to go down, but how many other people want it to go down? Right? Obviously, retail traders cannot control the market. The ones that control the markets are the big institutions, and when we say big institutions, it's just people that have a lot of money, man. That's it. That are trading with, I'm talking big size. Which is wild, to be honest. Trading with that much money can be sometimes, you know, I would imagine it's very hard to get filled. Because I remember trading on NinjaTrader with like $3 million simulated. And just getting filled in on just a simulation account, it was like lagging my whole setup. Like I was on a computer, and my computer is pretty, it's not the most beefiest, but you know, it can get the job done. It was just like slowing down crazy. I was like, man, I can't imagine trying to get the full fill on the real account. Sometimes you might not even get the full. Let's say you had like 3 million contracts you want filled. If there's no liquidity, you ain't getting nothing. Shoot. We ain't getting much. Not bad though, 15. It's about 10-point range. Yeah. I'm still just kind of butthurt. Come on. It literally like went 1 point shy away. And then it just tanked. Come back down. We don't have a wick here, so good chance that maybe the market might want to fill in this 3-minute little, it's like it's a gap basically. It's like like a 3-point, 2-point gap. So it's not that bad. Let me adjust the lighting here, y'all. There we go. I need to get some better lighting for my room. Get something down here so you know you can see some light. Hold on, I'll be right back again. I just gotta keep checking on my potatoes. 1 second. Potatoes are good. I don't have to run back anymore. Forming a little bull flag up here. Markets want to try to take that wick of that candle, so might be a bit before they want to try to fill this gap. It's a very small gap, or it just tanks here. But bulls are looking pretty strong, so I don't think they're wanting to let it go. Also depends if ES flushes here. Definitely going to take NASDAQ down with it. Which is not what you want. I do want to see if they can break below 50 though. If they could break below 50, I think that would be a better entry to go long. Kind of squeezing some of the bears, try to get them a little bit, you know, get them salivating. Hey, we're going to break below 50s, and everybody tries to get in, and then they just yeet. Squeezes them out. There we go. There's the break of 50s. Let's go to this account. Oh, shoot. I kind of wanted to get in. Well, I missed that. Well. Congrats, you played yourself. A little bit of a 10-point squeeze back to the upside. I mean, if they're not going to continue making that move up, are the bears really going to... It kind of looks a little bit of like yesterday's move. Because we're following the kind of the same thing. Where it kind of just stair steps. And then it just rips to the upside. We did break the low 50s, so... Whoa. Ho ho ho. Yo. Okay, what's going on? Is it gonna flip to the upside now? Oh, yeah. Just had to squeeze out some people first. Both ways. I mean, it's not a bad range. It's not like the biggest range, but I mean, this is some pretty good movement. Bulls are stepping right back in. They break 70, good chance that they break above this wick and go above 75. Will the Bulls have the juice to do so, or do they just fake it above and chop it back down? There we go. Got 70s coming up. Just broke through it. 75s. Coming right to this wick over here. 70, 50? Yeah, 70, 50. 75, 50, I'm sorry. Oh, talk about a nasty wick. Both ways. Bull stepping right back in. Not a good look for the Bulls. Not a good look, folks. Are we about to close with the red candle? Got about 30 seconds. Bulls got about 30 seconds to try to bring this back up. Came a couple ticks away from hitting VWAP. Insane. Romer, how's it going? Good, man. Today was it's been stressful for these past few days, but hey, we're here. We are here. Oh boy, we're going right back down. Hey man, I feel you, dog. What went down, Romer? Spill the beans. Oh shoot. Yo, what is... We're about to just rip it right back up. There's no wick, so I do want to see if we can break below, back down here. No wick. Let's break it down a little bit further before we go right back up. See if we can just join the momentum of the bears here. Or not. They're, oh, I got played. I got played. The bulls ain't done. They're not through yet. I got played. Dang, from one. So what's your, where are you at now? Oh, new 5 minute. Can we get this break back below my entry? No wick. So let's go with the no wick test. Break it back to 45, 43-ish. Just get a quick little flop back to the downside. Very quick. Would be amazing. But I feel it too, Romer, man. I've got absolutely decimated with some of my PAs. If you just scroll back to the beginning, I blew 2 evaluations. I was literally 1 point away from passing, and then the market decided just to flip against me immediately. Like, dude, come on. Really? You were a point away. Like, what the heck? Oh, shoot. We are getting some spikes here and there. This reminds me a lot of yesterday's price action. Can we get a spike to the downside? NASDAQ, want to be a pal here. Get back below my entry. Go fill that no wick. Break it back down to 45-ish, 43.50. Dang. Hey, but technically, I mean, you're still in profit, right? I know that. Give him half of it, and dude, I know how much it sucks. You know, it feels like you've lost a lot when you set back, but I mean, overall, try to put a positive spin to it. You're still positive. Okay. Yeah, man. Hey, all I can say is plan the trade and trade the plan. That's all you can do. We're getting some wild movement here, though. Just like these huge spikes. Or maybe is it just my Wi-Fi lagging? Is that why I'm just behind people? Is that what it is? We get the bears to, I mean, this is a bullish close, so not looking hopeful for the bears. Yeah, no, I feel you, dude. The fear factor coming in. I mean, I think, you need to do, maybe, I hate to be that guy, but probably just go back to what you were trading normally, right? Don't trade anything with your strategy. If you've been making money with one micro, just stick to that one micro, right? There's no need to rush the process. There's no need to rush to get money. The money will come, and you just gotta stick to what has been working for you. At least that's my 2 cents on it. Easier said than done, right? Very much easier said than done, but I sometimes just have to remind myself of that, especially like when you're so close to, either a target, a goal that you're trying to hit. It's like the last thing you want to do is try to rush that. Just take your time, catch your breath, catch yourself, and just do what works for you, right? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But I'm about to get taken out here, it looks like. Yep, stopped out. Really thought we would get another retest down here just with this no wick, but looks like that's not the case. So we're only down 253 and 10 cents, so let's just be patient here. The market may still want to flip down. I don't think it's going to roll on through just yet. Kind of down now. Let's see how we react. I might try to get short again up here if we get a rejection. There we go. 29. We're about to open up a candle. Let's see how we close. We got 30 seconds. We'll take it. I would like to see us come back to the bottom of this because there's no wick. So next candle, just flip it back down. One more test of this bottom here. No wick, so let's go test it very quick. Just a quick pop below it. Quick little drop. There we go, doji close, looking better for the bears. Let's see if we can get this flush. 55 holding us up, break below it. Let's go to 50s, 48. There we go. Can we break 55s? I'm keeping my eyes on the bid. 55s, 55, 25. 55, 25, 55, 50. Yeah, they're trying to keep it above. There we go. Finally left a little bit of a wake there. Didn't have a wake, so I think that's what they were just wanting to go test. There we go. Let's just flip it straight down to the bottom of this range again. Man, the balls are being stingy. Come on, just give it up. Do we get... Oop, they're coming up. He is pushing up as well. Oh, shoot. Looks like the bulls are actually... This might be another... Oh, we'll just see. What was that? That was at 53. I mean, if we can break to 50s, this should be a pretty good, easy flush to 48. The question is, do the bears have enough juice to just keep bringing it back down? There's no wick in this 3 minutes. So I want to see it come back down. And we still haven't really filled this little gap here either. So would prefer us just to fill this one first before we tank back down here. There we go. We got ES flushing to the downside. NASDAQ as well. Will the bears have enough juice to flush it from this level? There we go. We broke it. Can we break 52s right here? Got about 15 seconds left until the new 3-minute candle. So I want to see if we can get this filling right here. I don't want the next candle to pump back up for a bit. I want to see us break it right here. I will move this to break even though. So risk-free trade at this point. There we go. We got 50s. Can we get the... Okay, perfect. Good clean break to the bottom side. Wanted to see that right here, but I guess they wanted to squeeze out a little bit more people there. So down to 50 to up to 60. I think I'm done on this account. So now I don't have to trade it tomorrow. I do have a couple other funded accounts that I passed today. So probably going to be activating that tomorrow whenever... Hold on, y'all. The lighting is absolutely atrocious in here. Making me look... It's like super dark. Hold on. Time out, y'all. Right, much better. Just have to put the blinds up. All right. Y'all can see my pretty face now. Here we go, breaking down. Again, this is like the littlest gap, 29 to like 27. It's 2 points. But who knows? Maybe the market is just faking everybody out. Now it's going to pop back up. Either way, though, Romer, I know you're a smart man. You can definitely make a comeback. But I have been there. Setbacks are part of it. It sucks having setbacks, though. But I think the last thing that, you probably want to do is don't dig the hole deeper than it already is, right? Don't dig it to 6 feet. You've dug it just a little bit. Stick to what's been working. And as always, it is easier said than done. Because sometimes I keep having to remind myself, like, hey, you don't want to give back your profits. And I have before. I've blown accounts. Just a couple of days ago. We are selling down, though. Holy cow. We are selling down now. That's from 48 to 40. Left some money on the table, but I don't even care. I took the trade that I wanted, and I got what I wanted. I would not be greedy. The market can do whatever it wants to do now. But logged in the 260 on this. This is a funded account too. I'm trading right now, so this is unfunded. It's, you can tell right there. There's a PA account. I didn't think I was going to trade it, but we just had some volatility come in. So I was like, maybe it's a good chance to squeeze in 10 points here. That's my bread and butter. I built it to work in both New York and Asia session as well. The beauty about it is, obviously nothing is perfect, okay? In trading, everything is, double-edged sword. But I've kind of structured my trades out to, one, if we're moving like high volatility sessions, I can get in and out, right? You take 5 trades at $200, that's $1,000 right there. And if volatility is moving very quick, now sometimes you can get stopped at immediately, but I was just like, I have a better chance of securing just quick profits. That's really what I want to do. And then designing it for Asia session, we typically move in like at least 10 points in Asia. So I'm not setting some big goals. Sometimes I will though, right? Like you see here, I see a level that I like, but overall, I know that it's all reliable. I can always go back to it and just stick to the base hits. And sticking to base hits has definitely saved my account a couple times. A couple days ago, actually, it was yesterday, because today's only Tuesday, at least for me. Oh, let's come back in. Either way, I actually, on this specific account, specifically this PA, I was actually, no, sorry, it was the other one. I was down $1,000. I guess it was last week or whatever, but I went down $1,000 at the open. I was like kind of tilted, but managed to just take a deep breath, and I was like, you know what, catch myself, just go back to taking your base hits. Managed to dig myself back out with my base hits. And I was like, all right, I'm good. And then I ended the day above the required amount to be able to log it as a day. Wow, bulls are stepping right back in. But yesterday was good too. I also took another payout yesterday in the amount of $1,124. So I'm ending March with, let me do the math here. So this is the amount that I'm ending March with. This is profits. 6124 is the profit for this month. Appreciate it, Romer. Say the same thing for you too, man. Hey, I know that the setbacks are, it sucks giving back profits. It does. I'm not gonna say it doesn't. Anybody out there that says, hey, like it's part of it. I know I just said it too, but dude, it stings, man. Giving back profits, I'm not gonna lie. Especially when you've had a good month and then you give half of it away. It's like you took one step forward and then instead of two, you took three. At least it feels like. Because making money is trying to like make money back is probably one of the toughest thing about trading, which it shouldn't be the mindset, right? If you lose, we should be good risk managers, right? Everybody should, but sometimes we are humans and we just want to get back those losses. Like if I can get that back, I'll be happy. Exactly. You know, process over P&L. That's one of the biggest things I have to try to every day I remind myself of that. And I'm not saying this to be cliche or corny, but that's literally the truth. That's one thing about being disciplined is that you don't just become disciplined. It's literally every day you have to remind yourself. And I remind myself every day, like, all right, today's a new day. Let's just go in, follow my rules, follow my strategies. Let's not get overzealous, right? Because at any moment, like a light could flip and you could either go on full tilt or, you know, make some quick money. Yo, Bulls is stepping right back in. That's dirty. That mentality. Yeah. I mean, Romer, I'll put it this way. This is not financial advice, right? This is just my opinion, and I am entitled to my own opinions. But, I mean, you've been doing good. I would say your trading live account, I would say it's based on the balance of your account. So, you know, what you are saying is correct. Needing to adapt to higher size, 100% is true. Because when you flip from smaller size to bigger size, it 100% has an effect on your mentality, right? Because you see a bigger loss and it's going to take a bit to adapt to it. So it's not bad to adapt to that, but on the flip side of it is if you're taking bigger losses, will your account be able to hold that? Do you have enough balance in your account to justify sizing up, right? And that's like the gray area of, you know, depending on your strategy on how you trade. And my take is if I personally have a big balance, yes, then I would look into sizing up. But if you're just sizing up because you want to make more money, but your balance doesn't justify it, I don't know. $56, $68. Okay. $56. Dude, that's pretty impressive, Romer. Having that much money on the live account, I am impressed. Let me say that first and foremost. Secondly, look at the market. And then thirdly, reeling it back in. I mean, it's up to you. I know you don't like the answer, but I mean, I think your account is good. The question is just, you know, be careful when you're trading. Just know that, you know, it will take a bit to adapt, but you've been consistent. Maybe give it a, you know, maybe give it another month or two before you size up. And you don't have to take my advice, but it's like the 1%, 2% risk. Would that allow you? I mean, that would cut your. Well, you normally only take 3 trades anyway, so I guess it really doesn't matter. But oh, dang, I lost my train of thought. I'm trying to. think what I was gonna say. Oh, right. I think you've heard of this is something that I kind of live by, right? It's a little bit different, and it's outside of the trading realm, but it's, you know, the buyer's remorse, where after you purchase something, you regret buying it. So how does that tie into this? When you think you're ready to buy it, give it another 7 days. And after their 7 days has come and gone, and you still want to buy something, then you make that purchase. So kind of relating that to, I guess, trading. One, you're sizing up, and you know, I get it. You've been consistent, and you've hit some banger trades as well. But I don't think it would hurt to give it maybe a couple more weeks, maybe another month or two of just trying to stick to that one micro, right? Instead of try to size up too quick. And then after that, maybe this month or two, and you know, you still feel like you're ready for it, then maybe size up at that point. But that's my take on it. That's what I would do. Now, obviously, you can do as you want, right? This is your account, and you know, as long as you are able to hold yourself out and be emotionally stable enough for it, then, you know, do it. But other than that, that's my take. I know that it's kind of wishy-washy with the answers, but it's kind of tough, man, because at the end of the day, it's not my money I'm trading to, right? This is your money, and you're in a live account. That's a whole another ball game in itself, because when you lose money, you're not losing just that initial fee you put in. You're losing hard-earned work. But I mean, you've got a good head on your shoulders, you know. Like I said, you've taken some absolutely banger trade, or you take some banger trade. So just be smart about it. What a rejection. 75 is holding the market down. The bulls want that, but they're not getting that level. No, sir. Anytime, Romer. You know, sometimes I'm like, I wish I could be the genie and just give you a straight answer, but you know, I'm not even at the level that I want to be at yet, right? I don't consider myself a profitable. Well, so far, I've been profitable at least month to date, year to date. I'm profitable so far, but overall, I'm not where I want to be, right? I don't think I'm in a position yet to where I can fully just be like a financial whiz. Yeah, you know, that's true. I wish I could just sit here and say, well, guys, you know, let's zoom back to, you know, 5 o'clock. Look at this candle. When we open up, I'm just gonna buy, go long, and then we're gonna make money. But you know, it's always like a 50-50 in trading. Flip a coin. Yeah, sometimes you can have better bias. Oh shoot, come right back down. Either way, I do need to check the Apex accounts though. I wonder what the new activation fees are, because Apex has done this 90% sell, but they've bumped up their prices. So while it may seem, I mean, it's still pretty cheap just to get it initially, right? I think right now with the 50K intradays, which is the ones that I typically trade with right now, they're at basically $25 per account, which isn't that much. I mean, it was 19, so going from like, it basically went up $5. That was about it. Let's see, past evals. How much is it? Oh, it's $100. Jeez. Oh my goodness. They went up, yeah, $10. I mean, whatever. You know what? 1 day pass. Screw it. We'll take it. But either way, my roommate's about to stream here in about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna get off. So you can have more bandwidth. So I think I'm gonna call the stream here 2 blown evals, 1 point away from passing 1, and then it just stopped me out. So annoying. But either way, we're positive on this funded account, so I don't think I'm gonna be touching it tomorrow. As always, anybody that tuned in, appreciate you tuning in. Romer, appreciate you tuning in as well. If you do decide to size up, hey man, just keep a clear head, be smart about your trading, plan your trade, and trade the plan. And we will go from there. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, you have a good night.